Hey, remember, patience and take your... Turn it off! Stop! And today we're gonna learn about patience. What? Get. Okay. Hey, man, what's wrong with you? I'm playing. Ow! Just scratch my freaking lip, man. He's excited to be more patient. Ain't that right?
No.
Oh. Zaza, come join us.
No.
What? Okay. You want to join us?
No.
Why not? You want to sit on Daddy's lap right here?
No. No.
Okay, I heard you the first time.
No.
Okay, I heard you the first time. If I told you no, oh my God! Ah! Okay. Oh!